You guys, well, let's get caught up with your forecast. We are starting out very quiet this morning. A lot of clear sky outside, and the clear skies are going to remain in effect today and tomorrow, and that's the good news. So as we head to the weekend, you might want to start having a backup plan for some outdoor plans just in case. That's when things will start to change for us as far as rain concerns are. However, no problems today. Temperatures a little cool outside this morning for you. Most of us are sitting into the 50s and 40s. Remember, just yesterday morning we were into the 30s, and some spots even had a little bit of patchy frost out there on some of the interior sections. But right now we're seeing 43 in Gladwin, 44 degrees in Tawas, much better than the upper 30s we were yesterday, 49 in Midland. It's 54 in Freeland, 48 in Cass City, 54 in Lapeer, and 50 degrees right now in Bad Axe, 48 Cass City. Again, remember yesterday, Cass City, 40 degrees. So we almost dropped into the 30s, and it's currently 55 in Grand Blanc. So everybody a little warmer today. We'll talk about warmer temperatures this afternoon. Yesterday we only hit 75. Today will be about 80 degrees, and it's because of all the sunshine that we're seeing. Notice showers just to our north lining up on the UP. That's actually the northern and western edge of our area of high pressure, starting to line up some showers and storms. With high pressure, when it's right overhead like it's been the last few days, the air sinks beneath it. That's why you haven't seen a lot of cloud development out there. Well, once the high starts to move a little bit more away, it's easier for the air to rise, and that's why we're seeing some clouds and showers developing. And that'll be the case for us today into tomorrow. We'll watch clouds out west. Some of that will try and move towards the east, but the high pressure will kind of gobble it up. Won't allow it to give us much in the way of a rain threat until we head to Saturday. And Saturday, what I'm watching is a wave of low pressure out towards the Dakotas. That is going to move east on an old boundary that's lining up right now across the UP and Lake Superior. If that boundary can sag enough south on Saturday, which I think it will, that'll give us a risk for a little bit of a severe wind threat coming up for Saturday morning into the afternoon. So we'll have to watch that, but up until that point, we are expecting to remain quiet. One thing also that's going to be changing for us by the time we head to the weekend, not just the rain, but we have a big heat bubble developing across the Central Plains. And right now they are waking up to temperatures in the low 70s, but we are looking at that warmth spreading towards the north and east, and that's going to push our temperatures into the upper 80s and low 90s with heat index values. That's what it feels like when you factor in the heat and humidity together, into the mid 90s by the time we head towards Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But again, the big thing to take away from your 7-day forecast will be the warm up that's on the way, and then we'll have to watch for isolated severe weather all the way from Sunday into Wednesday next week. It's not going to be a widespread severe weather threat, guys, but what it will be is there's so much heat energy out there for these thunderstorms to build off of that any storm that develops does have the chance for hail and damaging winds. Remember, even though it wasn't a big severe threat Monday, 2 storms did a lot of damage, so it doesn't take a lot here in Michigan in the summertime just because how hot things get very quickly.